Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. The size is 8,133 square meters with a clean title. Located in Barangay Mahayag, San Miguel, Bohol. So it's along National Highway, guys. The package price is 500 pesos per square meter. Actually, this is ideal for farm and residential or even commercial. Pwede siya commercial. For example, putang lang tindahan sa tubangan, and sa likod, imong residential and farming. So, pwede ra. So, very nice. Approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. And for example, 2 hours drive from Panglao International Airport. O depende sa sakyanan, guys. Kay kung ban imong sakyan diri murag 1 hour ra gyud ni siya. Pero kung bus naa gyud nis mga almost 2 hours. Mga gini may tabo. Nindot kayo no kay dako kayo nga pata, guys. Nya atong gi-contact ang owner kay naman si for sale diha. So, nindot ta kayo. So, very cheap. Barato ra kay 500 o asa maka. So, ana siya, guys. Approximately mga 4 million sa di siguro. 500 times sa ana siguro. Mangyo pa man, negotiable. Okay. Good thing kay along highway. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.